eating on my way home. So, yes, sometimes you do make money from consulting, speaking to people and stuff like that, and it's just they're doing nothing, right? So, there are always opportunities online. There are groups, there are platforms. You go and listen to guys pitching and stuff, and you're like, yeah, I like this idea. Let me invest in the company. But of course, as a silent investor, you don't want to come out and, stuff like that. Guys can kill you for stuff, things like that. But also, if you like the idea, you like the company, you buy it off. Just buy it off and let it be there. Every time there's always going to be an opportunity.
Where are you getting the money to buy it? The company's off.
I cannot say. You buy it off the company.
Those are the most interesting questions. Because buying, everyone likes to buy, but we want the story of how you make the money to start.
Like I said earlier on, for me right now, my strategy is into real estate, build as much as possible, have that money come through, and you reinvest it into other things. Agriculture, same thing. People get money from agriculture and spend it on drinking and stuff like that. I'd rather use that money for other things. Consulting, of course. Get that money. Don't buy in, fancy stuff and things like that. Reinvest it, right? So most of the money I get, I do reinvest to make sure that I'm getting at least somewhere I know that these assets are going to make money for me in the future.
YOLO, FOMO seem to be your biggest enemies.
Who?
So you fear missing out.
No,
you also
no.
don't
it's not even
want
about
to be
that.
once.
There are things I've missed out on.
No, you don't fear missing out, actually.
No,
that's what I can say.
Yeah,
you don't fear missing out, right?
But sometimes there are things that pass you and you're like, wait, how? I've pleaded with an IT company, an app company. Up to now, they refuse to listen to me. But I know they'll one day say yes. It's a brilliant idea. It's a very brilliant idea. I think the guy just had his own marketing strategy wrong. So I told him, I want shares into the business. I can turn this around. And I proved it. We also did a case study with Blinkist, the one I told you about, where they convert books into audios. And
I've actually used Blinkist, right?
Yeah. So we did a case study with them and told them, we can do this thing for Africa. They said, no, Africa is not our market. We said, let's try it out. We got 2,000 CEOs to sign up. And we told them, want shares into the company? They went sign it. Up to now. So, there's things like that. You do case studies and guys are shocked. Okay, this thing works, but we can't have a black guy investing. Yeah, this is racism in it. A lot of racism.
Thank you, Isaac.
Thank you so much for having me.
The podcast. You definitely should come back again.
Thank you.
Construct this again. Thank you.
Yeah.
This has been great, man. Thank you.